Good afternoon, YouTube and gamers. Today we are working on Michelle's car. Michelle is my lovely and much better half. Her water pump leaks real bad.
Bad, real bad. Like from there.
Like 50 gallons a day, brother. So,
brother.
The good news is this is one of the few cars, at least I feel like it's only a few cars, where the water pump isn't connected to the timing of the car. It's just serpentine belt, accessory belt type shit. So, I'm giving it a shot because we're not financially able to pay other people to do it. So,
this is facts. We've been out here for about 5 minutes and my thumb has already almost left the chat.
Yeah, Casey's allergic to work, you guys.
Yeah, bro. Why do you think everyone does this stuff for me on my cars? But who knows? This vlog, this video, this whole this whole thing might just be working on the car today. Who knows? But we're gonna go get beer later, right, Maddie?
Yes, sir. I forgot how to do this, but
honestly, I'm gonna say it. I'm sorry, Matt, but this video is two dummies working on a car.
Oh, absolutely.
So you guys just be entertained, bro.
Wait, is the R word allowed on the vlog?
Say whatever you want.
Yeah, I'm for sure retarded.
Oh shoot!
I forgot how I did it like 1,000 times the other day, bro.
Did what?
No, I'm doing the same thing. What is wrong with me?
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Damn, Matt. I think I'm having more fun just watching you, especially from back here.
What the fuck?
He's gay!
Sweaty Jewish ass. Bro, hold on. You want a story real quick? So, we have this one lady, I'm not going to say her name, but I work with her, and she's new. Like, newer. She's only been here like a month.
Yeah.
Well, I shared my first shift with her the other day, and she's like, "You're the supervisor today?" And I'm like, "Yeah, absolutely, absolutely." And she's like, "What's your name?" And she read it, and she goes, "Oh, Matthew." You know, says my full name.
Yeah.
And she goes, "Are you Jewish?" I'm like, yeah.
Oh my gosh. You should be like, "Happy Hanukkah."
Bro. And she's like, "No, I work with a lot of them."
I work with a lot of them. Was she Jewish?
No. She's Haitian.
Oh, I'm dead. Alright guys, it's only been like 5 minutes and we're still in the same position.
Dude, this thing gets stuck.
Did you try talking nice to it?
Hey, little mama, let me whisper. Get the fuck off of there. Taking a breather, I got high blood pressure.
Oh, dude, it's getting there. It's slowly moving. Oh.
That was either a good noise or a really bad noise.
I guess we're about to find out. We're really about to find out.
It's still really on there, bro. That might have been a bad noise.
It's hard to see, guys, but trust. I'm already sweating too, bro. We've only been here for 5 minutes.
Oh, dude. The humidity, dude?
Come on, brother.
No, that's...
No, it didn't move. That bolt is not, it's not ick, dude. I've seen more rounded bolts.
So. No, this isn't like the worst rounded bolt, but like...
Is this the bolt that got stuck the other day when you were trying to do this?
Yes, this is what made me give up.
Nice. So yeah, Matt already...
Is this what... No, what made me give up is... Let's see if you can get a shot of this. Okay. Do you see this fin right here?
It's very hard to see on camera, but I see it.
Okay. There's a little fin right here.
Yeah, you guys can't see it, but just imagine a little fin.
Okay, what?
Yeah, you can kind of see it.
Kinda.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be a second one. Like you can see where my finger's hitting it.
You broke the second.
I broke that off.
Ah, nice.
I was like, yeah, I'm literally shaving.
Oh my gosh, I see it now. Yeah.
So. Okay.
All right, I'm gonna pick the camera up after we get this bolt off, cause.
Or if we break it.
Or if we break it, yeah.
With an update, we'll come back with an update.
Hey, but guess what, bro?
What?
Less things on the car, faster the car. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, if we can't get a belt back on it, the car won't move.
Race car.
The only way this thing's going fast is down a hill.
Good thing there's a big hill right there.
You ain't lying.
Next shot, just you. Bro, update. The bolt is loose. And
what's up, vlog? So now we got the Bluetooth alternator.
Bluetooth alt is coming out.
It's not coming out. We're just gonna scoot it off to the side. If I can get it, dude. Holy.
Wait, that's not your turbo?
That's enough. No, the turbo. We have a bottom mount, so
oh,
further down.
I got you.
Yeah, I'm also a bottom mount.
Pound me.
He's gay!
Oh, it's some kind of grease. No, it's not. That might just be dirt.
It's all from the catch can, remember?
Catch can. I don't know what that was, bro. I actually have zero idea what that was, bro.
Oh my gosh. Hey guys, I'm gonna take a quick break.
Wait. Water pump pulley is off. Should I replace that? Nah, it should be alright.
Make sure you guys also leave a like and subscribe. I forgot to say that, and I need to keep saying it because I know you guys are watching. And what do they need to do, Matt?
Like, subscribe, maybe leave a comment. Let us know how we're doing. Give us some feedback. Tell us we're good. Tell us we're ass.
Tell us we're cute.
Just tell us what you're thinking.
Bro, I think I have enough shots that you bent over I could start on OnlyFans and you wouldn't even know.
How does this work? How does this?
You gotta put this.
Okay.
Like you gotta,
I'm used to normal screwdriver.
So you gotta like bend over?
Shut up.
Dang, bro, you got the motor freaking V16?
Yep. Make about 12 million horsepower. What do you mean by that?
I don't wanna know, but that boy asleep, okay?
I got 2 second quarter mile. Fast car in the west. This the Ferrari where she has on this fast.
Hey guys, I have a present for you. It is a very used and leaking 2003 Toyota Camry water pump.
Sheesh.
Spin. Whoa.
Facebook Market, $100.
Well, I'll sign it.
You'll sign it?
$200.
$200?
Signed by the Casey Coleman vlog member, Matt himself.
You dropped it, bro.
Oh, let me. I got it.
But dang, $200, but that's a steal. I would hop on that before it sells out.
Yep. Also, it's gonna have dirt on it, so. It's got the leaves.
Oh, even better.
Guys, we're doing a Rock Auto haul today. Let me not fucking drop this.
Bro, why'd you buy that one?
Bro,
You could have just used.
I could have used the limited edition used. Limited edition Matthew water pump, bro, from Casey Coleman vlogs. I didn't think about that. Oh, but look at how shiny this one is. Is this what color the rest of the engine bay used to be? Trying to do this.
This is gonna be a bad idea, but you got it, bro.
Alright, so the guy in the video said to use little pea-size bits of this stuff. Guys, I've never done this before. That doesn't look the way it's supposed to. It's supposed to be like gray or black.
That's what I thought.
Oh, this is so scary, dude.
Oh, that was the EcoBoost.
Am I doing this right? Oh, get away from there. Uh-oh.
Maybe you should rewatch the YouTube video.
Bro, because he's an actual mechanic.
So are you. You're YouTube certified.
I ain't shit certified, brother.
It looks like you're smearing a freaking
dog shit on the
No, it looks like you had
melted chocolate. Am I good at this?
I don't know what you're supposed to. Quick intermission. Intermission? Is that right? Is that the right word? We're gonna hit a mani pan. I have no speed. That was cheeks. We haven't picked up the camera a minute because, you know, we're actually working instead of filming. But look at this, guys.
The Pittsburgh Pro, brother. $12 on sale. I bought this thing.
All right, boys. Like again, we haven't been, you know, recording, but Matt Matt's been doing the work. I'm not gonna lie. We've just kind of been chilling and hanging out and spectating. But we're getting there. What's next? We got 2 things left.
We're gonna put the alternator back where it's supposed to go. Then we're gonna put the belt back on. Well, belt might wait, depending on how much hassle it gives us.
Regardless, even if everything goes on, it's not getting started today because everything needs to dry for like 24 hours. So
tomorrow night I'll come in and I'll put coolant back in it. I'll start it. I might even move it, and then the next morning, if there's no coolant on the ground,
that's a dub.
We did it.
If not, big fat L.
If not, then I'm gonna start thinking of a funny obituary for myself.
All right, so we're gonna finish. Well, Matt's gonna finish a couple more things, and then we are both gonna go inside and shower together. I mean, take separate showers. Then go get some grub, dude. I've been craving a beer for like a couple of days now. I don't know why. Just sit down and chillax somewhere. I think we're gonna try to take that for us. We jumped it earlier, but like the last 3 videos I've said, the battery just dies. I need to fix that. I haven't because I'm dumb and lazy. But hopefully we'll take that car. We'll see though. Before I do that though, I gotta show you guys. This is the shop kitty. Meow. Hi. Her name's Calico. We feed her a lot every night, but she's a stray outside. I would love to take her in, but I already took 1 stray, and I can't take any more. I know.
Hey guys, it's your favorite poor and fat person. We came to Ford's. We're all a little buzzed. We're all having some yummy food.
Jacob's here too, bro.
Yeah, after working on the car, we showered. We came here.
I had ribs, bro.
Casey didn't shower.
I did not shower.
True. Casey, I showered.
I didn't get the shower, bro. I got stuck doing. Can you even see me?
Yeah.
But this food's busting.
Yeah, this shit yummy. You called it mid 2 minutes ago.
I did call it mid. I don't know what's going on. We're gonna chill in the parking lot for a little bit. That's for sure. But we're gonna eat. I'll pick it up in here in a minute. Yummy. Bro, so we just left Ford's to go, just because we ate. But look at this. Dude, just chilling on my, 1-inch lip. What the? Also, look how far I parked from the thing, dude. I'm a good, 3 feet. Why I did that, I have no idea. But do I just leave the frog there?
Sure. They'll jump off.
They will jump off.
Yeah, he'll be straight.
That man is really just big chilling, bro. I thought it was a piece of mulch.
Bro,
I didn't tell you guys, but we ran to Target earlier before we freaking came to get food, and Matt gets kitty litter.
Bro.
Dude! He gets in the car and he goes, bro, and I'm like, what? It looks like there's cocaine on my floor, bro.
Oh,
there's so much of it, bro. Alright, we already had and got the That boy's sitting on the ground, sir. We came and already got the litter that Matt spilled everywhere. No, I'm just kidding. I love you, Matt. So Jacob's about to attempt the actual touch-free car wash, bro. Let's see what happens.
Drive forward. Place car.
This man really doing the touch-free car wash, bro. Excited. Oh my goodness. Let's go to the other side. Dang, look at that. This man doing it all for the TikTok, bro. Just like that, the Subaru is clean. The Subaru is clean.
Oh, Subaru, so clean.
Alright guys, but on another note, I think I'm going to end the vlog here. But make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe. Like I said, this might not have been the best vlog, but once a week is what we're shooting for right now. Maybe twice a week once we get the flow of things, but as of right now, once a week. But
alright guys, it's been a very eventful Friday. We got some actual good stuff done, and then we did a whole lot of nothing afterwards. That's a W in my book. So.
I think you need your flashlight
Well,
too,
yeah,
bro.
I got y'all. So, so we appreciate you watching. Go ahead and subscribe.
Yes, sir.
Comment, I guess, what you want to see us do. Realistic suggestions, right? We'll take them into consideration. Why
How many
not?
likes for us to get you a dedicated yarmulke?
Oh, dude, 25 likes. I'll wear a yarmulke in one of these videos.
With the flow of the hair out. It'd be kind of good, bro. Alright, that's it. Jacob. Goodbye. See you guys in the next one.
Later, guys.
Later.
Wait, we showed them we got food, right? We did get food?
Yeah, I showed
Okay,
them.
good.
Bye.